going to demonstrate now is how to ozonate either saline or distilled water. Later on we're going to talk about the applications, why you would want to use distilled water, why you would want to use saline. The process is the same, simply which solution you're going to put into the machine. So the first thing you want to do is have your solutions ready, whichever one you choose to use. This is the tubing or the tank that you're going to be doing the ozonating in. If you are going to be drawing up a smaller volume that you want to use a syringe with, we have a special adapter that screws onto the end of this piece here. And now you can take and attach a syringe right on the end of this piece, and then you can draw up what you need into your syringe. And you would simply just draw it up. If you instead want to be able to run it through a larger volume, an IV line, then you have this tubing, this is regular IV tubing. You take the end off and it will attach right onto this piece. It screws on and now you can run your tubing. So these are the solutions that we have to choose from. Again, whatever procedure you're doing, you would pick whether you're doing sterile saline or you're doing distilled water. This is the fluid bubbler, and we have the ability to either draw the solution directly from the fluid bubbler using a syringe. It attaches directly to this port, and then you can just draw up your solution. Or if you're going to run a larger volume in, you have an adapter, and that goes on the end. And then you take regular IV tubing. As you put into an IV bag, you put this into this adapter piece, and now you put your needle on and you're able to run it subcutaneously, or if you just want to lavage an area constantly, you have the ability to do that. The next thing we want to do is demonstrate how we're going to get the ozone into our fluid solution. So we have an adapter tube. It is very simple. It just attaches one end to the ozonator and the other end goes on to here, and it just screws on. It's very easy, and it doesn't matter which end is which, it attaches either way. And then you turn your ozonator on, it bubbles through the solution, which we're going to demonstrate right now, and then we're ready to go. Ready to do it? One of the wonderful things about this procedure is that it is a technician duty. This does not require doctor time. Okay, go ahead and turn on. So we're going to make this for a sub-Q injection, so we use the saline. Melissa's setting the We're going to let this run 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready to use.